Kids can make this great do-it-yourself chalkboard sign from a recycled picture. Then they can use chalk and some chalk sign ideas from this post to write holiday messages for the whole family. This will look great up on a countertop, set on an easel, or hanging on a wall. So I live in the windy Midwest, and when I had a calm moment, I hurried and sprayed my pictures with chalkboard paint before I got a picture of them. So I found a picture frame with a solid back. It had wording on it. I've been told that you can use glass panes inside of a frame as well, but I personally have not tried that. The chalkboard paint comes in both a spray paint and also a brush-on paint. I do love the spray paint. It's just so easy. So I took it outside, put down some papers, and I sprayed this entire intersection with the black. You can get the chalkboard paint in other colors as well, I believe. And then I'm going to paint and retouch the frame in just a black craft paint. So I'm going to go ahead and put some paper underneath here and paint the outside edge of my frame black. Since I wanted both my frame and this center section black, I didn't mind if a little bit of the chalkboard paint got on the outside edge of the frame. But I'm going to come back and cover the frame with some craft paint, some black craft paint, to touch it up. So when you purchase a frame, don't worry if it has a little bit of nicks and bumps. You can paint your frame a color and cover those up. You could use pink, you could use turquoise blue, you could do you could use white or off-white. If you do that, you're going to want to use some painter's tape. So you're going to want to take tape and put it along the edge of your frame and then paint your frame the color that you want, and then you take your tape off. Be sure everything's dry before you move on to the next step. So when you want to do your chalkboard paint in the inside, you can also tape off the outside edge of your frame as well. I'm going to let that dry, and then we're almost finished with our project already. So with the chalk surface dry, we're now going to season it, which means we're going to rub chalk on it so that when we write, we can erase it more easily. If we don't and we write and try to erase it, it's called ghosting. The letters stay there, or at least more so. So we take the side of a piece of chalk and we're going to rub it all over the surface where we're going to write. This is called seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and rub it on, and then I'm going to wipe it all off, and then we can write on the board. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off. Kids are going to love making this do-it-yourself chalkboard sign from a recycled picture. And the whole family's going to love the messages they can write to each other for the holidays. For more great Thanksgiving ideas, come on over to welcometananas.com and join the fun.